Hello my creators, today we are going to make Christmas wreath. For that we require these materials. Let's start the video. First you have to take any rough cardboard, then you have to draw the circle and inner circle also. This inner circle you have to cut with the cutter, so you can take the help of your elders also. Afterwards we are going to wrap with the foil paper. So like this, first you have to put and make a edges proper like this, and extra part you have to cut, and then we are going to stick. For sticking this one I use the glue drop. So if you have a glue drop you can use the glue drop, otherwise you can take the help of the glue gun also. Now I'll show you how to make a ball from the foil paper. I am taking one rough paper. If you have this one you can use that one also, and even you can use the newspaper also for making this ball. Like this we are going to make the balls for sticking on this wreath. Again I am showing you how to I am making this one. Like this you can make a big and small size balls. Now after one we are going to take the sharpened ribbon, and before sticking balls on the circle we are going to stick the sharpened ribbon on it. Before sticking balls on it I cut some leaf shape for giving extra decoration on it. So first I am going to stick the leaf something like this. I use the two color paper, one dark green and then light green. For sticking this leaf I use the glue drop again. Now I have two bells, so before sticking the balls I stick the bells also. Like this I tie it together and then stick it here something like this in a center. So like this your bells are hanging in a center something like this. Now we are going to start sticking balls with the glue drop only. If you have a glue gun you can use the glue gun also. All over we are going to stick the balls. So like this we are going to stick the balls. In between I put the red pom-pom. If you have you can use that one also, otherwise leave it. You can skip this also. So like this you have to complete the all ball sticking work. At the back side it will be a look something like this. So here your wreath is ready. On the top side near the hanging part we are going to stick two leaves something like this. I hope you like and enjoy this work. Merry Christmas. Thank you.